y'all, today we are going to be moving all of these seedlings into larger pots. I'm actually going to be working outside because there are a lot of seedlings to get moved up. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you drop me a comment below. Are you starting new seedlings? Are you starting seedlings right now for the summer, or have you already moved on to fall seedlings? Okay. So seedlings are doing really, really well. If you caught that last video, tons of zinnia varieties. We have the Tong Ho Big Leaf Chrysanthemum. We have Winged Everlasting, Feathertop Grass, Marigolds, Mission Giant Marigolds in yellow. Rudbeckia, which are probably going to stay in their little cubes, their soil cubes for soil blocks for now. Bronze leaf fennel. Zanzibar, pale pink, and sweet corn. So the sweet corn is actually going to get directly planted later today, but we're going to concentrate on all the other seedlings and get those going. So I'm going to haul some of these seedlings outside and get started. Okay, so it's early morning, so I have shade on the back porch, which is really nice. So we're going to be potting up all of these seedlings into larger pots. Now, theoretically, you could put a lot of these seedlings directly into the ground right now, but it is so hot that I would like to grow these a little bit larger before putting them outside into the heat. And so I am going to be potting these up into larger containers, but these containers are still going to be inside under my grow lights for at least another week to 2 weeks. And then once these have gotten a little bit larger, then I will start acclimating them to the heat, bringing them out a little bit at a time outside, and then finally planting them all outside, which I think will be really good. I did pop a few zinnia seeds into the garden at the same time that I started these inside, and the ones in the garden are in rough shape already. So I feel good about starting inside with all of these. So while there's not going to be a lot of instruction for today, because basically I'm just utilizing containers that I've already had left over from nursery flowers. I'm filling them with potting soil, and then I'm putting the seedlings into the containers. I just thought you guys might really enjoy watching the whole process. It is going to be quite a few. And other than that, I'm going to put that to some music and you guys enjoy. Okay, first set is planted up. We have the Tong Ho Big Leaf Chrysanthemum. We have the Zinnia Giant Double Canary Bird, and I've got 2 rows of those. Zinnia Envy, and Zinnia Giant Double Violet Queen. Planted up really well, watered really well, and in the shade while I continue working. Definitely don't want to stick these directly in sun. They will fry pretty quickly. All right, let's get started on another one. Okay, next set is done. We have Zinnia Giant Double Enchantress, Zinnia Cherry Queen, Zinnia Oklahoma mix with 2 rows of that, and the Zinnia Queen Lime Blush. All right, let's do another one. And this one is Winged Everlasting and Marigold Mission Yellow. On to the next. And this set is Feathertop Ornamental Grass and Zanzibar. Now, let me show you guys over here. I am not planting up the Rebecca Sahara Cherry Brandy. Oh, sorry, bee popped by because it's so little right now. And the Bronze Leaf Fennel, I'm gonna let that grow on a little bit longer. The Kale Cream Pink is a cool temperature plant, and so I'm actually growing it for early fall planting. So it does need to be bumped up to another pot, but I'm going to do that in a little, probably tomorrow or something, and it is actually going to all go back inside. And then all this corn right here, this sweet corn Triple Crown white hybrid, is going into the ground. So I've got my seedlings on here. I'm kind of thinking about trying them out here on the back porch. It doesn't get a lot of sun, but it does have some of the heat. It gets a lot of ambient light. So I might try it out here for a day or two and see how it goes. If it's not going well, then I'll move it to a different position or I'll move them back inside. Okay, Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's simple video, just watching me pot up or bump up in size of my seedlings from inside. Just want to get them a little bit stronger, a little bit of a better root system before I transfer them out into the heat of the North Texas summer that we are currently experiencing. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.